channel. Today we're going to be making mini dog-friendly pancakes for our dog named Luni. We're going to be needing water, oil, a cup, plates, and spoons. We're also going to be needing a measuring cup, a mixer with a bowl in it, a spatula, a pan, and an egg and flour. So let's get started. First, we're going to be needing to put one egg inside your mixing bowl. Then you're going to need to mix it. This is what it looks like when it's done. It should look very yellow with a little bit of egg white stuff on it. And then you want to pour a little bit out inside a cup until you have this much left inside the bowl. And then you want to add the next ingredient. I'm going to be adding a little bit of flour. If you're making mini, you need about like 1/8 a cup of flour. If you're gonna make big, probably 50 grams. I'm going to be adding flour to the egg yolk. The egg. Okay. And now we're gonna mix. If there's anything on the side, any flours on the side, just put get a little spoon and then put the flour inside, like in the yolk. In the middle. And mix. Sometimes the mixer can get clogged, so if that happens, you can use a spoon to mix it until about like this consistency. And then you want to add 1/16 a cup of water. And if you are using if you're not doing mini size, you need 100 milliliters of water. Pour the water into the mixture. And then mix it up. Mix until combined. This should be the consistency when it's done. Now you want to add a little bit of oil inside your pan. Like that. And then swirl it around. Pour the batter inside the pan and then let it cook. Then turn off the heat and place the pancake on the plate. Then repeat the method. Now we made a little bit of pancakes and we're gonna give it ones for our dog to try. Luni. Looks like Luni loved it a lot. So if your dog liked it too, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!